part of all your special moments. We're also happy to be able to offer interest-free financing. There's a great work of art in every...
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for southern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana.
You gotta be kidding me.
There is a moment, it's never ordinary at Bet 365.
You gotta be kidding me. I was not paying attention to the time.
Well, you won't have time to spend money.
Right.
And don't worry, just before you die, you'll pass out.
But hey, I'll pass out and beat up 3.
Exactly.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for central St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern St. Charles Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:46 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over La Place, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near La Place around 12:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 205 and 214. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 4. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Charles and St. John the Baptist.
The rest of your life. Money is a fabulous slave. That driver.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, eastern Washington Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 4:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:31 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bogalusa, Covington, Avila Springs, Marnado, Madisonville, Sun, Bush, Enon, and Angie. This includes the following Interstate 12 between mile markers 56 and 67. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, St. Tammany in Washington, and Pearl River, Mississippi.
When someone buys a boat,
Or 9 miles southwest of Belchase, moving at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be needed. All cases to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.